what I teach to people is to create a product based on certain problems. In other words, our business is we are in a problem-solving business. So what I'm saying is kung ano man yung product na gagawin nyo, it should be a solution to a certain problem ng market. So you do your research, how can you convert that maybe into solution to a problem? Because otherwise, it's like, you know, people are asking me, Sir John, bebenta po ba yung mga poem? May mga poem, mga biographies and all those things. I say, yung bebenta yan. Pero I gotta be honest, mahirap po ibenta. And I will tell you guys, alin na mas mahirap ibenta, vitamins or pain reliever. Well, alin ang mas madaling ibenta? Vitamins or pain reliever? Yung mas madaling ibenta. Well, guess what? Pain reliever. In fact, mas mahal ang mga pain reliever kaysa sa vitamins. Why? Because when people are in pain, right? I remember my wife and I, we went to BGC. First time namin doon sa mall na yun, but manonood kami ng sine with my kids and suddenly, for some reason, she got a headache. Well, guess what? I really go down and search the mall and ask around, saan po ba makakabili dito ng gamot sa sakit sa ulo? Vitamins nga, nalilimutan nating inumin eh. Di po ba? Pero pag masakit ang ulo mo, ang tiyan mo, hahanap ka ng butika dyan. Same thing with what we do with our product. You must associate whatever your product is to a certain problem, pain, challenges, frustrations, and then your product will be the solution to those pain, challenge, and frustrations. Okay? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.